So as many of you guys know, over the last few weeks, Jordan and I have encountered a lot of challenges since deciding to move to Panama. And a lot of you guys reached out to us through email, through Instagram messages, asking us, are you sure you're making the right decision? Are you sure this isn't a sign from the universe that you shouldn't be doing this? And we're gonna talk about all that today. But first, I wanna share with you guys a purchase that we made just a couple days ago that's gonna tell you real quick what decision we made.
Bought a truck, specifically a Toyota Hilux, which is like indestructible. Have you guys ever seen Top Gear when they try to destroy a Hilux? And the thing that sold me on this truck was they bring it out into the ocean, let it get washed away, they bring it back, drain all the water out, put new fluids in, and the thing fires right up. So now we're officially locked into Panama. We bought a vehicle, and to get out of here it's a lot faster than just booking a flight out, because now we own a vehicle here. So we're staying here. And did you guys really think we were gonna give up on Panama that quick? If a couple problems was gonna dissuade us, we probably shouldn't have come here in the first place. We just need to pause the video right there for 1 second.
We have a very exciting special announcement for you guys. While we were in El Salvador, we were inspired to host a retreat. So we're actually planning a retreat with us and our friend Salva. For those of you guys who've watched all our El Salvador videos, you know who Salva is. He's a guy that runs a tour agency in Tunco, El Tunco. And we're gonna be hosting a retreat for 6 nights, 7 days, March 1st to the 7th. All the details are up on our website if you wanna go check it out. But there's gonna be surfing, there's gonna be pupusas, there's gonna be yoga, facials, body treatments, history, culture, adventure, hiking, volcanoes.
There's gonna be a lot going on. And I think there's something for everybody, especially if you guys watch these videos, because you guys know what we like doing. And we just want to bring some people to El Salvador and have you guys experience it with us. So the top link in the description, you can go and get more info.
And the best part of it is we're staying in a permaculture eco lodge.
So if you guys want to come on a little vacation with us, check out the top link in the description. Let's go back to the video. ¿Qué pasa?
Oh, ¿qué pasa?
Look at what we got. Every time we come here, you guys are always doing something.
Well, it's an ongoing story. Take the spoon.
Is it a big day?
Well, take the spoon. It's all cold now, but you can take the spoon and try it. Yeah.
Did you find your coffee?
I'm just talking to the producer.
So if you guys know, Arturo's trying to be the best coffee roaster in the whole world. and one of his coffees may be it. So he's on the hunt. He's getting closer.
Coffee brewer.
Coffee brewer. That's the word.
Yeah.
Coffee
right.
brewer.
Roaster.
But roasting is part of the process.
Yeah, we're roasting. I'm roasting too, but you know, it's like a whole new career.
Totally.
Yeah, totally. So take a spoon. You guys are, you guys are from the house.
We're gonna try some of this coffee now. We just had a quick cup of coffee and a little strawberry toast, and we had a meeting with our attorney for the property that we're buying. So when you buy property here, you get an attorney that is very, very involved with the whole process.
Right. And he has been so amazing, so transparent, and just very, very thorough. So we're so grateful that we have someone amazing to work with, you know?
You guys, we just got some big news. We have to leave the coffee shop because the survey of our land is done. It's like the one thing we've been waiting for.
I know.
Because once the survey's done, we can officially get on the land and start building stuff. It means like today, we could go to the land.
And start shoveling holes.
And start digging holes. Let's go see. We gotta go make sure that we're not breaking the contract, so we're going to talk to the realtors now.
Green is the fence line that is right now there. The blue is the survey, the official survey.
Are we ready to go and start putting water tanks up there? Can we go and do that?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's official.
It's official. Okay.
Okay, well, just let me know if you need any help, just send me a text.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
You too. Buen dia.
Look at this, you guys. It is official.
I feel like every time we walk out of there, we're always like, so giddy and like they're probably like, oh my god.
I'm driving.
I'm driving.
Get out of here. All right, you can drive. This might be a pretty normal thing of Kaylee and I arguing about who gets to drive, because driving this thing is just way too much fun.
It's so nice. Dang. Look at all those.
We're getting 2 of those big ones and then one that's twice the size of that.
Woohoo!
Yo hablo con persona es aquí. I have a feeling we're going to be in here a lot because look at all this stuff. This is all of the water collection, harvesting, pumping, filtration, stuff that we need.
And it's only like 5 minutes down the road, so it's super convenient, super easy. It's bueno.
Just a little change of plans.
So apparently, not only do they provide the tanks and all of the filters and everything that you need, but they also deliver to your house completely for free.
So we got 4 of these black ones. Each one of these is 600 gallons.
These big boys right here.
So that's going to give us 2,400 gallons of water, which that needs to last us through the dry season. So the dry season here is for 3 months.
Yeah.
And that needs to last us through that. And we've done up the math and we're confident that we can make that last because we have 2.5 years of experience living off of 25 gallons of water in our bus. But it's one of those things that we're not going to really know until it happens, until that's our water supply. But I think it's going to be plenty for us. But now we got to go buy some tools. Well, I'd say our first trip to the hardware store is a success. You got a shovel, a pickaxe, a weed whacker. Look at this thing. This thing is dangerous. This is a machete. A couple other little things, some gloves, plenty of safety gear because we're about to make a ton of mistakes.
Jordan goes and does his thing up at the land. I'm actually going to get a little workout in at an awesome gym that I found here.
Oh man, does it feel so good to be here. This view too is just like, every time it just looks different. It's amazing. But I'm trying to get to work. I don't have too much time because Kaylee's not going to be at the gym that long. But I want to try to decide now where I'm going to put the water tanks. So there's 2 spots that I'm thinking. That's where I pulled in, the road's right there. And I'm thinking either here, and the reason is because this would probably be the highest point of all the houses because we're going to put one here and then we're going to put some down there. So I don't even think we really need to, we won't need to get like a big pump or anything to move the water around. Mostly what we could use is just gravity. But then the other spot that I also really like is over here. And the reason I like this spot is because it's kind of off from everything and we can hide the tanks. And we put them down here. And then we put the rain roof, we collect all the water here, and then it drains into the tanks down there. You can see, it's already like pretty flat too. So that's kind of the decision that I have to make. Well, I made up my mind. Whew. I'm gonna put them here because to pump water from down there up to here, I don't know, 30 feet up maybe? I was trying to guess it out, maybe 20 to 30 feet. And I just don't want to have to power a pump. Like, electricity is gonna be important. So if I'm trying to save electricity, I don't want to put in a 220 volt pump. I know there's 110 volt pumps too, but a lot of the well pumps are 220. So, but this is all for today. I wish I could stay here and do more. I would stay here until it got pitch black out, but gotta go pick up Kaylee. Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
How's your workout?
Whew, my leggies are jello.
Did you tell him yet that you're working on growing the booty?
Told him I was working booty today. So yeah, I'm working the booty.
Kaylee's trying to get a big butt.
Trying to get a big butt.
Oh man.
Some nice 6-pack abs. Some strong shoulders and
Is that too
arms.
much to ask for?
What?
I said, is that too much to ask
Oh
for?
yeah, right?
It's not too much to ask for. Come on.
Come on, just a few more times and hopefully I'll get that bubble butt that I want.
I dug some holes and stuff on the land. Actually, all I did was swing a machete around.
Did you really?
Yeah.
How did it feel?
I feel really good. I think I'm gonna get up early and go back tomorrow.
Let's do it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Dinner is served. For me and more.
It's a nice big bowl of throw up. I'm sorry, I know you worked. I'm happy you laughed at that because you worked so hard on this, and I'm just calling all your work a big bowl of throw up. Thank you.
I know it looks like a big bowl of throw up, but guys, let me tell you, this is the best corn chowder out there.
We have the recipe up on our website if you want to check it out.
Yes, recipe up on our website. We'll put a little link in the description below if you guys want to make it. That's all we have for you guys today.
Tomorrow's when it all really starts.
Tomorrow is officially Homestead Day.
The beginning of it all.
The beginning of it all. So we're excited to share with you guys the process and show you all of the mistakes we're gonna make and how big of fools we're gonna make ourselves to be.
But how much we're gonna learn.
But how much fun we're gonna have, how much we're gonna learn, and that's all that matters. So
That's all we got for you guys.
that's all we got.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time, guys. Adios.